Little follow, yeah.
It's so thick.
Yeah.
Like, that's, like, look at that. Thickness. Yeah.
No. No size though.
Hey?
No size.
Yeah, but at least they're still fish.
Yeah. Oh, mosquitoes.
You good?
Oh.
Missed him?
Nah, just been bloody mosquitoes are eating me. That was one of the highest jumps of a barra. It was the same one that must have moved that grass.
I didn't even realise.
No, he grabbed it and come at you, didn't he?
Yeah.
He came up to my chest level in front of me around this tree here.
Hey?
He came up to my chest level on this side of the tree. Yeah. Was that a bigger one though?
No, it was this one.
Oh, a big swirl right in front of me. All the water's boiling. I must have had just one.
Uh-oh.
How big's yours?
Only baby.
Oh, busted off. Oh, that'd be that. That'd be that big spool, big swirl I was talking about. You just missed one just there. Right where this fast water's running in there. Oh! Oh, where are we gonna go? Just see. Oh, missed him. Just see, there he was. Oh, little one. Little baby one. Come on, stop it, stop it, stop it. Ow, spike. Mozzies? Mozzies up, yeah? You're up, me. Oh, dropped him. He's a bit bigger. Eh? Yeah, he felt a bit bigger. He moved a bit more water. Oh, he's throw her out there. What do you got on?
4-inch.
Oh, raw prawn.
Colour.
Yeah. Oh, the chartreuse, yeah. Oh, got him. Good boy. Oh, he's only a pup.
I mean, what was I really expecting on a lure this size?
Oh, yeah, you've caught... You got scars on him, is he?
No, don't go in yet. Not yet.
You get too close to that edge there. He actually launched himself out the body, out the water, yeah, when he ate it. He's only a little one.
Most of the ones here are little ones anyway.
No, this is the same spot we saw on that big one there last time.
Oh, that's over there.
Yep.
Oh, wow. I didn't even realise that.
Didn't it?
No.
Oh, there he is. Look, look, just there. Oh, got him. Good one? Yeah, good boy. All right. Hit your feet as well. You step back.
Yeah, you hit me right at the feet.
Right. Oh. Hasn't got a little lure in his mouth at all. Good fish, mate.
Thank you.
That's them new hooks we're mucking around with too.
Yeah.
Oi, stop it, stop it. Beautiful fish. Yep. You done well. Just slide him in there. Clean as a whistle, gill raked, yep. I just dropped one right here, Tatum. Eh? No, I just dropped one right at my feet. Oh, bust off again. Yep. Look at the size of the swirl here, would you? And try something. Just bobbing it. Bobbing it. I need a wacky pole. I need a wacky pole. I just dropped one right here, Tatum. Eh? No, I just dropped one right at my feet. Oh, bust off again. Yep. Look at the size of the swirl here, would you? He swirled a bit of water. Yeah. Yeah, I seen him too. I just turned around at the right time. Oh, Jesus. You can hear the thump, eh? Oh. There's another log out in the middle there, Tanner. I just got, yeah, I just got hit. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yep. No, he's only a baby. No radioactive rooster, eh? Eh? Oh, yep. Oh, yeah, a bit better. At least I know I can use a bit of thumb on this one. Probably 60. We're not going to let him. We're going to let him go anyway. We're going to let him go anyway. Just dropped one. Oh. The biggest thing that you can do when you're doing this sort of stuff is just take that time to pause and let your lure sink down. If they're not hitting it on the surface, then sometimes they'll chase it from down deeper and hit it as it gets closer to the edge. That's how I got busted off with those couple before. But it's also how we're landing a lot of them. It's like they follow them from sort of 6 feet down, because it's about 6 feet down in front of us. And as the bait, what they classify as bait or food, gets close to the edge, they think, well, I better grab it before it disappears. So they'll make a... Yep. You run straight, hit me and run straight at me. About there, so just this side of that, so sink it down on the other side of that, so sink it right down and then go twitch, twitch, twitch. You'll let it sink back down again though. I feel a lot more secure with this 40-pound leader now. Yeah.
Wait, is that all the weed in here?
Hey?
Yep, there. Is that all the...
Yep, that's all the stuff that was gathered up here, yep.